Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, let us discuss 30 important multiple choice questions about database. These questions are helps for you how to prepare for exam and understand the concept of introduction to database system. The first question says, which of the following is correct definition of database? A. Collection of data. B. Collection of files. C. Organized collection of related data. D. None. The correct answer, which is the definition of database, is organized collection of related data. Question number 2, DBMS stands for A. Database Merging System, B. Database Management System, C. Database Management System, D. None. Database Management System stands for DBMS, or which is longed as Database Management System. Question number 2, which of the following is not database management system? A. MySQL, B. Oracle, C. Python, D. SQL Server. C. Python, it is not database management system, rather it is programming language. Question number 4, a table in a database is also known as A. Attribute, B. Relation, C. Tuple, D. Entity. Table in the database system is relation. We call it relation. Question number 5. A row in a table is called A field, B attribute, C tuple, D column. The correct answer is C tuple. Question number 6. Column in a table is called A tuple, B attribute, C record, D key. We call it column in a database table, B attributes. Question number 7. The language used to manipulate data is A. DML, B. DDL, C. DCL, D. TCL. The language that used to manipulate data in the database table is data manipulation language, DML. Question number 8. The language used to define data structure is A. DML, B. DDL, C. DCL, D. PDL. The language that is used to define data structure on the schema is data definition language, which is DDL. Question number 9. Which is an example of data manipulation commands? A. Create, B. Insert, C. Drop, D. Alter. From the given choice, example of data manipulation command is insert. The others are data definition languages. Which is an example of data definition language commands? A. Update, B. Delete, C. Create, D. Insert. Example of data definition language commands are create is, which is one of the example of data definition language commands. Question number 11. A primary key must be A. Null, B. Unique, C. Composite, D. Forgot. D. Foreign. The primary key must be unique, which is due to indicate each record uniquely. Question number 12. A foreign key, A. Reference primary key, B. Must be unique, C. Cannot be null, D. None. The foreign key should be the reference primary key. A is the correct answer. Question number 13. Which ensures data accuracy? A. Redundancy, B. Integrity constraints, C. Backup, D. Indexing. Integrity and constraints that used to ensure data accuracy and consistency. Question number 40. Which type of database stores data in a table? A. Hierarchical data, B. Relational data, C. Network data, D. Graph. The type of data stored in a database table is relational. Question number 50. SQL stands for A. Structured query language, B. Simple query language, C. System query language, D. None. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Question number 16. Which command retrieves data in the database? A. Select, B. Insert, C. Alter, D. Update. The command that used to retrieve data is select. Question number 17. Normalization eliminates A. Case, B. Redundancy, C. Data, D. Tables. The normalization eliminates the redundancy of the data or unwanted repetition of data. Question number 80. Which normal form removes partial dependency? A. First normal form, B. Second normal form, C. Third normal form, D. BCNF. The normal form that removes partial dependency is second normal form. The first normal form removes the redundancy of unwanted data. Question number 19. Which normal form removes transitive dependency? A. First normal form, B. Second normal form, C. Third normal form, D. BCE normal form. The normal form that used to remove transitive dependency is third normal form. Question number 20. Which is valid aggregate function? A. Sum, B. Where, C. Update, D. Join. The correct answer is the valid aggregate from the choice sum is one of the valid aggregate function. Question number 21. Which clause filters row? A. Select, B. Where, C. Group by, D. Having. The clause that used to filter rows is where clause. Question number 22. Which clause groups rows? A. Group by, B. Having, C. Ordered by, D. Limit. The clause that used to groups row is group by. Question number 23. Which clause filters group? A. Where, B. Group by, C. Having, D. Select. C is the correct answer. Having a clause that used to filter groups. Question number 24. Indexing improves A. Data integrity, B. Query performance, C. Storage, D. Backup. Indexing is used to improve query performance. Question number 25. Redundancy means A. Duplicate data, B. Missing data, C. Organized data, D. None. Redundancy in the database system is duplicate of the data. Question number 26. Entity represents A. Row, B. Column, C. Real world object, D. None. Entity represents real world object. Question number 27. Entity set is row collection, B. Collection of entities, C. Table, D. Case. Entity set is a collection of entities. Question number 28, which uniquely identifies records? A. Primary key, B. Foreign key, C. Composite key, D. None. The primary key that used to uniquely identifies records. Question number 30 and the last question, database schema is A. Data, B. Structure of database, C. User, D. Row. Database schema in the database system is a structure of the database. Thank you all of who follow me, and please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment your answer, which you can get from 30 out of 30. How many you got? Bye bye.